Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissant butter. Croissant butter is a crucial ingredient for achieving those beautiful, flaky layers in your homemade croissants. Unlike regular butter, which contains more water, croissant butter boasts a higher fat percentage. This difference is key to successful lamination, preventing the dough from becoming tough or sticky. We'll guide you through the simple steps to prepare this essential ingredient right in your own kitchen. The secret to great croissant butter lies in its butterfat content. While standard butter usually contains around 80% butterfat, specialized croissant butter often has 82 to 84%. This higher fat percentage means less water, which is vital for lamination. Less water prevents the butter from breaking through the dough during rolling, ensuring a smooth, consistent layer. It also contributes to a richer flavor and a more tender crumb in your finished pastries. To make your own croissant butter, begin with about 250 grams of good quality unsalted butter. Gently melt it over low heat, you'll see the milk solids separate and foam on top. Skim off the foam, then carefully pour the clear, yellow liquid, which is your clarified butter, into a shallow dish. Chill this until it solidifies but remains pliable, like soft clay. Then, shape it into a flat, even rectangular block, ready for your dough. For successful lamination, temperature control is paramount. Ensure both your butter block and dough are cool and at similar temperatures, ideally around 4 degrees Celsius. Work quickly in a cool environment to prevent the butter from melting and incorporating into the dough. Roll gently and evenly to maintain distinct layers. Remember to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes between each fold. This relaxes the gluten and keeps the butter firm, leading to those coveted, airy croissant layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.